Today's news brief is for February 21st, 2026. Good evening, space enthusiasts and news watchers. We're coming to you with a critical update on NASA's highly anticipated Artemis II mission. What was once slated for a March 2026 launch has now officially been pushed back, and the culprit is a small but significant technical hiccup with massive implications. Let's break down exactly what's happening. The mission, which aims to send astronauts around the moon, is facing a delay due to an issue with the Space Launch System, specifically its Interim Cryogenic Propulsion Stage, or ICPS, the rocket's upper stage. Engineers have detected an interrupted flow of helium within this critical stage. Helium is essential for pressurizing the fuel tanks that hold liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. Without proper pressurization, the engines can't receive the fuel they need for ignition and sustained flight. While the exact cause is still under investigation, it's suspected to be a faulty check valve or an issue with the umbilical interface that supplies the helium. This blockage means the system cannot repressurize the tanks as needed after engine operations. This discovery came just after the team successfully completed a crucial wet dress rehearsal. However, this helium fault has effectively scrubbed the previously hoped for March 6th through 11th launch window, and the consequence? The SLS rocket, standing tall at Launch Pad 39B, must now make the slow 4-mile journey back to the Vehicle Assembly Building, or VAB. This massive hangar is where repairs can be safely and effectively carried out. This rollback means NASA is now officially targeting no earlier than April 1st, 2026 for the next launch attempt, with a tentative launch time of 6:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Further opportunities may exist later in April, including a backup date on April 30th. What about the crew? Commander Reid Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen, who had just entered a soft quarantine, will now be stepping out of it. Their training and medical isolation will be reset closer to the new launch target. So while the wait for Artemis II continues, NASA remains committed to a safe and successful mission. We'll be keeping a close eye on the VAB repairs and bringing you the latest updates. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more space news, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next update on Artemis II.